Hey guys, I wanted to give you like a little bit of a behind the scene video. Obviously, this is where I make the sausage when I'm not out. It's making all my clothes smell like burning wood. My heater's about to kick on, so I'm going to make this video pretty short and sweet. Um, I'm watching things happen. I don't want to fearmonger anybody, but I'm sincerely worried that people are not uh, preparing for this economic collapse that is coming. Um, it's not a tsunami. It's not a tidal wave. It's not an earthquake. It's not war in Europe. The economy it's floundering. All of the key economic factors are in play or about to be in play. All of the people who make these predictions about the economy, the ones that are making money on it, trying to sell the fear, have all gone quiet. And that's because they've made their money and now they want to slowly fade into the shadows. And all the people that are talking about, there's my heater. Maybe I'll speak louder or I'll close this door. Hopefully that helped a little bit. All the people that are doing all of the economic data analysis are talking about how first quarter of next year, so basically January timeframe, we should probably be starting to go into moving from recession to depression. It's not going to be good. It is absolutely not going to be good. My advice to you as just a dude that's doesn't really know a lot about a lot of stuff is to get your money out of the banks. I only leave enough in there to pay my stuff on auto pay. I've told you guys probably 1,000 times. But stay motivated. Stay motivated because we've got to get the word out. We've got to get the word out that this is coming, that we can't ignore it anymore. And then while we as preppers kind of watch and wait and prepare for eventualities, other people are not doing that. Other people that we love, and we may need to start talking to them about, hey, have you been paying attention to what's happening? Hey, have you been thinking about this? Obviously, we cannot force it on them because it's not how their brains work. But what we can do is put that seed in their brains to maybe help them when things get bad, because if not, they might just show up on your doorstep, which could be a good thing. I mean, I don't know. It could be a bad thing. It could be a lot of things. Yeah, let's do that. Let's talk to our friends and family, and I'm not saying have a family meeting or go get together. I'm just saying in passing, that kind of thing. Yeah, I think that's a bit. I think there was something else I wanted to say, but I can't remember it right now. If you could, I've noticed in the analytics that you guys actually watch the videos that are completely. They're the only people that can watch them or actually have the links to the videos that I put on the Patreon, because those are they're not private because that would lock things down, but they're unpublished, so they're out there. And if you wanted to share those with your friends, that would be fine with me too. Obviously, you got them first, you paid for them, and I don't really care about the views anymore. The views at this point don't mean anything. The likes, they're affirmations that I'm doing something right. And when I don't see those, then I don't do that anymore. So it's at that point, it's just a data point for me. They're just analytics. If you wanted to tell your friends about the Patreon, that would be great. Obviously, right now I'm making about $16 a month, so I'm not getting rich, and I don't think I ever will be. But I've noticed that the people that are you guys, my Patreons, you guys watch these videos faster, so that means we can get the information to people faster. When it goes out on YouTube, for some reason, it takes a long time for, you know, I'm uploading videos at sometimes 7 o'clock in the morning, and people aren't even looking at it. And I can see them in the analytics. They aren't even being presented to them until 9 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know if it's a YouTube thing or I don't know. But at this point, I think I'm just trying to get the word out as rapidly as possible. Okay. All right, guys. I appreciate your time. And yeah, I'm going to get back to that. I got to finish the tent video, which is actually kind of funny because I had a person helping me who I care a lot about. All right, guys. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day. And boop. Where's it at? Boop.